Genius Baking. On today's dorm-friendly recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade ring pops using only a microwave. So I started off with buying the all red flavors of Jolly Ranchers. First, I'm going to split up the Jolly Ranchers into different containers, separating them by flavor. With my Jolly Ranchers divided, I'm going to unwrap all of them. I'm going to pop each one of these into the microwave at 10-second increments until they're all melted. Once you have your melted Jolly Ranchers, you want to work very quickly to pour the Jolly Rancher mixture into each ring pop and then put the ring top on it. So once you've popped all of your candy into the tray, you can let it sit for about 30 minutes until they harden. Or if you want to speed up the process, you can pop them into your dorm room refrigerator or freezer. Once your ring pops are hardened, you just have to pop them out of the silicone tray. And you'll have your homemade ring pops, perfect for a bachelor viewing party treat. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for how to make homemade ring pops, perfect for the finale episode of The Bachelor or Valentine's Day or anytime you just want to make a homemade treat. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!